ready to ring in the new year. With the new year comes new beginnings and a brand new place to call home. Welcome to 112 Robert Bruce Drive. Your dream home awaits. This gorgeous kitchen opens effortlessly to the family room and the morning room. It's the perfect backdrop for laughter, gatherings, and memory making. A chef's dream awaits with sparkling GE stainless steel appliances, stunning Timberlake cabinetry with 42-inch upper cabinets, and gleaming quartz countertops that make every meal feel like a celebration. The downstairs guest room offers a private and welcoming retreat for visitors, complete with convenient access to a full bathroom. The thoughtfully designed upstairs layout has 3 spacious bedrooms, including a luxurious primary suite. The primary bedroom boasts a huge walk-in closet and a gorgeous ensuite bath. In addition to the bedrooms, a versatile loft space provides the ideal spot for a playroom, media room, or home office.